Hey guys, it's Kevin back with a brand new Photoshop tutorial called The Ultimate Guide to Glows. This tutorial series is about everything relating to glows. How to add them to your images, the do's and the don'ts, how to make them look more realistic, and really take your photography and your editing game to the next level. I've got 10 individual projects for this tutorial. I'm going to walk you through step by step for each one of them. All of the PSD files are included, all of the stock images are included as well, and the total runtime on this tutorial is over 5 hours long. So I promise you, after you finish this tutorial, you're going to be ready to create some amazing images, adding some glows to your projects, and I really can't wait to see them. The tutorial is available now. Just click the link in the description and you will be able to access it and start creating today. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial series, and I cannot wait to see what you are able to come up with.